In this next video, we're going to go through a few neck strengthening exercises. A very common reason for patients to visit their GP, to go to the hospital, to come to a clinic such as mine, is neck pain and discomfort. Now, we will evaluate fully and often we won't find anything significant wrong with the nerves. For example, there may be some wear and tear in the neck, but not much else, but the patient is suffering significantly. So in this video, we're going to go through some neck strengthening exercises. The value of these exercises is to try to strengthen some of the smaller muscles in the neck. This is because when people suffer from chronic neck discomfort, some muscles take over. So you have bigger muscles are acting more than they should and smaller muscles not acting at all. So you lead to an imbalance of the muscle function in the neck. By strengthening these small muscles of the neck, you can then allow them to contribute more to the movement of the neck. So then the relative workload of larger muscles is reduced. In doing this, you can eventually, hopefully, lead to a reduction in the amount of chronic neck pain that you are suffering from.
This first exercise is called a one-arm row. So we're just going to go through the technique first. Jennifer is going to stand with one leg in front of the other, her knees a little bit bent so she's in a nice stable position, and then slightly lean forward from the hips. So first of all, before Jennifer starts, she's just going to pull her shoulder back by squeezing the shoulder blade muscles in together, just so all these muscles are activated and you're doing the correct position during the exercise. Jennifer is then going to bend her elbow to begin the row, and then bring back down. And you're going to repeat this movement. This next exercise is called a deltoid row, and it's a great exercise for strengthening the front of your shoulder muscles. So Jennifer is going to show you now. So with bent elbow, she's lifting her arm straight up to the side and down. It's important to go really slowly, both on the way up and the way down. As you can see, Jennifer has some small dumbbells, but if you find this exercise difficult, you can start with no weight and then gradually build up from very small dumbbells of about half a kilo or so and building up by half a kilo at a time. This exercise is called a shoulder shrug, and it's very good at reducing or preventing neck pain. A lot of people have trapezius pain or trap pain, which is pain in the muscles that run down from the side of your neck to the top of the shoulder. And this exercise is particularly good at strengthening those muscles and reducing that pain. So Jennifer is just going to show you now with a dumbbell in either hand. She's shrugging up as high as she can and then coming down, going nice and slowly both up and down. For this exercise, we want to load the muscles, so we want to have as high of a weight that we can tolerate that is comfortable. So this exercise shouldn't cause pain, but it should feel like the muscles are working so that we're able to strengthen them. This exercise is called a lateral flexion, and it's a great exercise for strengthening the muscles in and around your shoulders and also in your lower neck. So this exercise can be quite difficult at first, so we'd recommend starting with no weight and then starting with very light weights and gradually building it up by about half a kilo or a kilo at the time. So Jennifer is just going to demonstrate now with the elbows slightly bent, bringing the arms out to the side. And Jennifer is going to demonstrate with dumbbells as well. So palms pointing towards the floor, elbows slightly bent, bringing them straight out to the side, up to about parallel or just higher. This last exercise is called an upright row. It's a great exercise for strengthening the muscles at the front of your shoulder and your arms as well. So Jennifer is just going to demonstrate now with some dumbbells. So keeping your palms facing in towards you, she's going to slowly bend her elbows up until she reaches about chest height and then slowly bring them back down. And just repeat this movement slowly up and down. So start at a weight that's comfortable for you and gradually build it up.